Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have a new video for you all. In this video I'll show you how we can go ahead and log in to your Peacock TV app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply step into our video. For the matter, what you can do is, first of all, you can go ahead, open your Peacock app. In my case, I will go to my browser instead. So once I get into my browser, what I have done is I have simply gone to search option and search in peacocktv.com. Once you do that, you will be able to land on this home page, and if you open your app, simply will be open in the home page, and it's gonna look like with the Peacock logo right there. Once you open it, what you're going to do is you will be able to find two options, including sign in and get started. It's shown over above, but in your app it will be shown over here in the below. You can go ahead, tap on this sign in option for you to log in. Once you tap on the sign in option, apparently since the app is not available in our region, I cannot go further. But once you tap on the sign in option, you will have two options where you will enter your username, your account's information, including email address and the password. Once you're done entering your information regarding your account, if in case I have forgotten your password for some reason, go ahead, tap on the forgot password, get and reset your password. Once you're done with all of the information, go ahead, tap on the sign in option, and you're good to go. You will be able to get signed in right there on Peacock TV app. So yes guys, this is a very easy way for you to do it. I hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.